everyone, welcome back to Mommy Mouse Clubhouse Recipes. Today I'm sharing another cozy recipe from my series featuring the best Christmas morning breakfast ideas. And this one could not be easier. Apple cinnamon roll bake. Made with refrigerated cinnamon rolls and canned apple pie filling so it comes together fast but tastes like something you spent all morning on. Now let's get baking. Start. Mix together 1 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Set that aside. Open 2 cans of Pillsbury Grand cinnamon rolls or similar equivalent and remove the dough. Cut each roll into 6 pieces and place the pieces in a mixing bowl. Drizzle the cinnamon rolls with 1/4 cup of melted butter and stir to coat. Add half of the cinnamon roll pieces to the Ziploc bag and shake to coat with the cinnamon sugar. Repeat with the remaining pieces. Arrange the cinnamon roll pieces in a 9x13 baking dish that has been sprayed with nonstick spray. Sprinkle the leftover cinnamon sugar over the top of the rolls. If making ahead of time, cover the dish with foil or plastic wrap and refrigerate overnight. Refrigerate the included icing as well. You're ready to bake. Drizzle 1 cup of heavy cream over the rolls. Cut the apples in the pie filling into bite-sized pieces and drop tablespoons of pie filling over the cinnamon rolls. Bake at 350 degrees for 27 to 32 minutes. Take the cinnamon rolls from the oven and allow them to cool for 10 minutes and then drizzle with the included icing. So much for cooking with me today. I hope you love this easy apple cinnamon roll bake. It's one of those recipes that feels extra special but takes hardly any effort. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at mommymouseclubhouse.com. If you're enjoying this Christmas morning breakfast series, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you don't miss the next breakfast idea. See you next time!